Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Ads Manager account on Facebook. First, you'll want to access your Facebook Business Manager. This is the central hub for managing all your business assets on Facebook. Once inside, navigate to the Add Account section, typically found under Business Settings. Here, you'll have the option to either add an existing ad account, request access to one, or create a brand new one for your business needs. Next, you'll need to input some crucial details for your new ad account. Start by entering your business name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Then, select your correct time zone, which is vital for accurate ad scheduling and reporting. Finally, choose your preferred currency for all your advertising expenses. This selection cannot be changed later, so pick carefully to align with your financial operations. Once your ad account is set up, it's time to add the right people and assign appropriate permissions. You can add team members or partners to your ad account directly from Business Manager. For those needing complete control, grant administrator access. This allows them to manage all aspects, including billing and user permissions. For individuals focused solely on campaign creation and management, assign advertiser access, ensuring they can run ads effectively. Before you launch your first campaign, take a moment to review all the settings you've configured. Double-check your business information, time zone, and currency to ensure everything is accurate. Confirm that your chosen payment method is correctly linked and active, as this is essential for your ads to run. With these steps complete, your new Facebook Ads Manager account is fully set up and ready for you to start creating and managing your advertising campaigns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.